The hypotenuse of a right triangle is 2 inches longer than the longer leg. The shorter leg is 2 inches shorter than the longer leg. Find the length of the longer leg. So, first off, I'm going to set a variable. Let x be the length of the longer leg. Next, so now we're going to compare everything to x. So here's a diagram. You can tell this is the longer leg. We have our hypotenuse and our shorter leg. So we're given here that the hypotenuse is 2 inches longer than the longer leg. That means whatever the length x of the longer leg, add 2 to it. And that'd be 2 inches more. Similarly, the shorter leg is 2 inches shorter than the longer leg. So whatever x is, subtract 2 inches from it, and that will be the length. So now we have expressions for all 3 sides of the right triangle. So we can use the Pythagorean theorem to relate all 3 sides. So again, the squares of, or the sum of the squares of the 2 legs is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. And so if we plug in x minus 2 and x, it doesn't matter which order, x to go first, and then x minus 2 next, and then the hypotenuse x plus 2 squared. So now if we solve this equation, we will get x, and then we can figure out, actually x is the length of the longer leg. That's what the question is asking. And so over here, I just wrote this as x minus 2 times x minus 2, same over here. Now let's multiply. Use the FOIL technique, multiply the first, we get x squared, then negative 2x, then negative 2x again, and then plus 4, and then plus x squared that we have from the other leg. Similar idea here, we're going to have x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. If we collect like terms on both sides, we get 2x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals x squared plus 4x plus 4. So now we have a quadratic equation. I'm going to move all the terms to one side. So I'm going to move it to the left. Subtract x squared on both sides, I just get x squared. Subtract 4x, I get negative 8x. And subtract 4, and then they cancel out on both sides. So now this is what I have. X squared minus 8x equals 0.